How to log in to your Lowe credit card. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this video. For this, launch a preferred browser in your device. Search for Lowe Credit Card or Lowe's Login. Tap on the first suggestion, that is My Lowe's Rewards Credit Card. To sign in for your Lowe's credit card, select on the Sign In button that is at the top in your dashboard. When you tap on it, you'll be redirected to a new web page. In where to access your account, firstly you need to enter your user ID. Then enter your password. Select on Remember User ID if you are using your personal device. Then tap on Secure Login. By that way, you'll be able to log in to your Lowe's credit card easily. In the case of forgotten credential, you can easily check out the forgotten user ID or password portal, which will be at the bottom. Just click on it and follow the instruction or alternative option to sign in into your account. If not, you can even check out the help and support of Lowe's. Which wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.